Okay, working on this profile page again. Could be like a landing page with HTML or whatever. So I've done a rounded image, like an avatar, and a sort of a box section, a content section, and there's a background image. So this is part 2. So how do I get a space in here? It used to be HSpace, the image, but that's deprecated now with HTML5. So how do I get a space in there? Right, let's look at the HTML. Okay. So there is the image. It's in a paragraph. Image class circle image there. There's a source aligned to the left. Circle is here. Border radius 50%. That's round, the roundness. So padding. I'm going to put a padding onto it. Oops. And here you see, up here is the padding top, right, bottom and left. Yeah? So, pick length, I want 0. I want 0 on the top. And it's highlighted padding right, that's the one I want. I'm going to put 10 pixels, that is. I'm going to space it, and it's gone to padding bottom. I want 0, and padding left 0 again. Now I'm going to put the semicolon, and because that finishes that rule. So I'm put padding on now. So that should put padding on the right side of the image. So the text would be over to the right a little bit. Let's see what's happened there. Taking a while there. Hasn't worked. Still translate the long ipsum. Hasn't that worked? Have I missed anything out? Let's try closing parenthesis. Maybe I missed a closing bracket or something. No. Now what's going on here? No, what is going on here? 0, 10. What have I missed out? Dot circle to image class circle. That attaches the rule. Have I missed something out there? Right click. I missed out pixel. I missed out px. So it was still at 0. I forgot to put the rule in. It could have been at inches or m or I see. I forgot to put the px in. I just presumed it knew. So preview the. Okay, microphone problems again. It pauses on this Screen-O-Matic. So I've created a space between the image and the text on the right side. So I go back to the HTML, and there is padding to the image. Simple as that. The first measurement is top, right, bottom and left. So it depends where you wanted it. I want it on the right, and that's at 10 pixels for the image. So what else do I need in this? Well, I want to get rid of some of this lorem. We'll take it back a bit first. There's too much there. It's like an about making. So what can I put into that section? I'm thinking of a list. Unordered list. Now, can you put that in a paragraph block element? I don't know. Well, let's start off. Let's just start off here. Web diploma is what I've done. Diploma. Okay. Now I'm going to close the part. I'm going to close it there. So I'm going to get rid of the closing one there. I'm going to get rid of that closing tag. I'm going to get rid of the closed tag. So that's the paragraph text. And I want to make an unordered list. Unordered list. And I want to do my first list item. So there you can see unordered list, closing tag, and the first list item. So this lorem ipsum can now go. Okay, so that there, the paragraph would serve the header. I might have to change that to a H3 or something, but right now, do my first list item, and I would list some of the things I've done. So, website design. I'm going to guess this is going to go downwards. Fundament. This is an unordered list. So it should be block element. And I'm listing. Usually I do it downwards, as you see in these templates. We're just doing this for speed at the moment. elements. Oop. Okay. Organization. Okay, I've listed the things I've done. I was just looking at my sheet there, looking at my qualifications. Let's preview that in the browser. And I'm hoping what's happened there. I didn't know that would happen. Web Design Specialist Diploma. That's in tech. That would have to have a header. That would have to be like a H3 or something. But it's gone over the image. But why would it do that? I don't know. Maybe I'll give it some extra padding. Circle. Ooh, let's give it like 30 pixels. The bullet points had gone over the image. That's a bit better. Okay, that's a bit better there. But that header is just like a weak text. I'm going to have to do something about that. Let's give that a 2. H2. So I'll preview that now. Yeah, it's still not coming up. And there we go. Yeah, still not. Preview problems. It took a while to preview in the browser. So I have an image with a 50% alignment. It seems to have skewed the image going. That's because it's pushed in on the right. Okay, so start out in part 3. Probably have to get. I go back. Place there. That's what I'll do. But basically, to give it space, the alignment, you give it padding on whatever side you want. And I've put in an unordered list. So I've done so far. Part 3 images.